Hello, my name is Alain Stas. I'm a product engineer for nonlinear resistors at Vishay. Welcome to the part 3 of this series of videos dedicated to electronic simulation with our components, thermistors and RTDs. In the part 2, I mentioned that we at Vishay are the first component manufacturer to provide public electronic models for PTC inrush current limiting through all components. Up to now, it was exclusively for use in LT-SPICE from analog devices and on System Vision Cloud, now part Quest Explorer from Siemens CDA. Well, I have the pleasure to announce that under request we can also provide PTCEL SPICE models which are now fit for use in the SIMETRIX EDA. Sometimes when you import a SPICE model, even non-encrypted, into another software, you might end up with some issues, even if the importation procedure seems to proceed smoothly. In this case, we end up with a symbol with more pins than foreseen. So with the cooperation of SIMETRIX, we modified our PTCEL models and fixed all this small importation problem. When we place a model from the SIMETRIX library, we have now a suitable part with two electrical connections and a third virtual pin displaying the temperature reached by the component. We can build now a transient simulation with a PTCEL model connected to a voltage source through a serial resistor. We record the voltage variation on the PTC as well as the component temperature. On the base of the result, we can compute the PTCEL switching time and evaluate the final temperature. It is possible to see the influence of the ambient temperature, temp, by modifying its value in the simulation settings and repeating the simulation. For example, one can see that the switch time is decreasing by 1.7 seconds when the ambient temperature is increasing from 25 to 60 degrees C. Once that we have placed all the components of the series on the virtual testing board, we can simulate their behavior in different conditions and then analyze the results. All these component models are then ready to be placed in the final application circuit of the designers. Well, that's it for the moment. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.